I'm going to show you the weirdest thing in my refrigerator. Keep in mind, this is at my studio that I took over from my great uncle, and he built this studio years ago. But this is the weirdest thing in the fridge. A dirty Dr. Pepper can, okay? Diet Dr. Pepper. The expiration date on the can is, the expiration date on the can is September 7th, 2009. It's 2022. It's a dirty Dr. Pepper can. Why does this exist?